Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to block ads on the Samsung Galaxy A07. To do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. On this website, just tap on Try It Now. And from here, just copy this text. Then select Copy. After you have copied this text on your smartphone, the next step is to go to your home screen and open Settings. From here, just tap on Connections, then tap on More Connection Settings. And from here, just tap on Private DNS. Now, instead of Automatic, just select Private DNS Provider Hostname. And in this section, just paste the copied text. After that, just tap on Save. And once you do that, you will block all the ads within the apps on your smartphone. But if this did not fix your issue, then go back. Now, in the main settings page, just tap on Google, then tap on All Services. On this page, under the Privacy and Security section, just tap on Ads, then tap on Delete Advertising ID, then tap on Delete Advertising ID. And once you do that, you will delete the advertising ID on your smartphone. Now, if the ads started appearing suddenly even on your home screen, then this is most likely happening because of an app which you have installed, which carried a notification virus with it. These viruses are usually an app which does not appear on your home screen or even on your app drawer. They have no name and their icon is a white circle. Now, to find and delete the notification virus app, just open Settings, then tap on Display, and from here just make sure you enable dark mode on your smartphone. This method will not work if you do not enable dark mode on your Samsung phone, so make sure you enable dark mode first. After that, just go back to the main settings page, then tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for an app which has no name and its icon is a white circle, and it will not appear in this app list if you do not enable dark mode on your smartphone. So make sure you enable dark mode first. Now once you find the notification virus app on your smartphone, just tap on it and select Uninstall. Now to show you the process of deleting the app, for an example, I will select this app, then select Uninstall over here, and tap on OK. And once you do that, you will delete the notification virus app on your Samsung phone. And this is how you can block ads on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.